Colombia witnessed 2 deadly attacks in a single day, leaving at least 18 people dead on Thursday in the southwestern cities of Cali and Medellin. In Cali, a car bomb explosion near an airbase killed at least 6 people and injured more than 60. Eyewitnesses said, "I work at the airbase. Around 3 p.m., while I was in the office, a powerful blast shattered all the warehouse windows. I was completely stunned, unable to understand what was happening. The explosion also shook nearby residential areas." Another local added, "My wife called me, terrified, saying a bomb had gone off at the entrance of the base. The shockwave shattered all the glass in our house." On the same day in Medellin, a drone strike targeted a police helicopter, killing at least 12. According to local media, dissident factions of the disbanded Revolutionary Armed Forces of Colombia may have been behind the attacks.